Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Maximizing utility is a classic economics puzzle that you can solve quickly. We will analyze Aurora's budget and spending choices to find the optimal balance for her. First, we must understand that total utility is maximized when the consumer allocates their limited budget so that every dollar spent provides the same level of satisfaction across all goods. Finally, we see that equilibrium occurs when these ratios are equal. If they were not, she could shift her money to gain more total utility. This confirms that option D is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs.